Those in remote Northern Territory Indigenous communities are being warned to prepare for a rise in dog attacks. Rates of dog bites are at least 20 times higher among the Territory's Indigenous population, and it has health experts calling for more action on animal control to lower rates of infection and disease. Louisa Repgetz reports.
It's an everyday dog fight in remote Northern Territory. These brazen dogs pose a serious health risk to those around them. Animal management groups are warning of a spike in attacks as people living in outstations move into communities, bringing their dogs with them.
Those dogs often aren't suitable for community life because living out on outstations, they are used to much more territorial, protecting properties, so they're a bit more aggressive.
Attacks aren't the only problem. Doctors say overcrowding in houses creates perfect breeding conditions for germs and disease.
It is alarming when people have lots of skin sores due to streptococcal infections, and we know that one of the eventual complications of a streptococcal infection can be kidney disease and heart disease.
Not-for-profit organisation Emmerich is launching a new educational campaign to promote healthier dogs. It says desexing dogs, improving infrastructure and enforcing tougher bylaws are needed. Emmerich is calling on the government to start funding animal management properly and empower local people along the way.
We could always use more, always. Any government department would be the same. But again, we work together with other organisations, the shires, the councils, and we're trying to get the job done.
One of the greatest problems we see in the Northern Territory is the lack of real jobs for Aboriginal people in remote communities around animal management. And it's something that we see in all the other states, but not here in the NT.
The calls come ahead of next year's coronial inquest into the death of a 22-year-old man in the remote community of Maningrida. The young man died after he was mauled by a dozen dogs. Louisa Repgetz, ABC News.